top 5. Good luck, ladies. First to move on to our final round is congratulations, number 4. You made it to top 5. Congratulations also, candidate number 17. 17, congratulations. This is in no particular order. Wear your great smile, candidate number 15. Good luck, ladies. 2 more spots left. And that is you, candidate number 12. Alright, ladies. 3 ladies on the stage, but 1 more spot left to compete on the final round. Congratulations to candidate number 14. Thank you very much, number 16 and 11. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you our top 5. Alright, ladies. Maiwan muna si candidate number 4. And the rest of the ladies, please, at backstage.